Who would have thought a few zip ties could transform a pair of sneakers? When I first saw this idea, I thought it was just another random DIY experiment. But this guy decided to think outside the box. Using nothing more than a few zip ties, he gave his sneakers a unique, modern look that immediately caught everyone's attention. The best part is that it's inexpensive, easy to do, and takes only a few minutes. Sometimes a simple item costing just a few cents can completely change your style. After seeing this trick, I'll never look at zip ties the same way again.